All right, and the last thing we have to do is test our switch. Or set up our switch, I should say. I'll bring you guys over here for that. So the last thing that we have to do is going to be test our switch. We have to set it all up so that it's ready to work. It comes with the switch itself and the mounting tab, and then there's this little pull tab to pull it out so you get to the battery. This just slides up and off, and then you've got your mounting plate for the wall. Pretty simple. And then this is our switch itself. Once you pull this out, your battery's already in there, so you have power immediately. So we pull that off, and then we follow instructions, and the instructions to set up the switch are, I believe you push it and hold it, and push the switch. So let's make sure. Okay. Mount the wall. Cancel programming. No, we don't want to cancel. We want to set up programming. I think if I remember right, let's see. Okay, I'll be wrapped up here in a minute. I just have to put the covers on and program the switch.
Okay.
Okie dokie. So it says press the program button, which is over there on the receiver, for 6 seconds until the indicator light starts to flash rapidly. Note the light flashes from slowly to rapidly. Release the program button and press it again. The indicator light will be off. The programming has been canceled. Program the receiver. Oh, here we go. The receivers and transmitters have been prepared for immediate use, but there are a few units that may not be programmed or programmed incorrectly. Let's try that over there with the one we already have and see if they're all on the same frequency. So I'm going to turn you towards this, and I'm going to walk over and push that little switch. And we'll get to see if it lights up. And if it does, then we'll have a switch for both ends of the garage. That would be kind of cool. So here goes nothing. Turn on the switch. And nope. But if we push our on off on the bottom, on the top, let's check it out. It is not programmed. So we're going to have to program this switch. Kind of neat. So let's push our button and see if we have. Oop, I'm not getting a light at all. Yeah, I'm not getting anything here. Did something come loose? No, everything here looks good. Let's see if we have power over here. That'll tell us for sure. White, white, black, black. Everybody's connected. Okay, we're going to come back at this in a little bit. I'm going to go have some dinner. And then we'll come back and figure out where our issue is. It looks like we've got voltage, so now we just need to figure out what's going on. So we'll be back in a little bit after dinner. I did check the voltage on the other side. There is voltage to this point. This one there is none. Meaning that you'll get voltage right to this wire right here, and then over here, nothing. So let's give that a shot. Let's hit our on button. Oh, still nothing. So let's try programming. So you program it, you hold this for 6 seconds. So I'm not even getting a light. It should be a little light right there in the corner, a little dot. And I'm getting nothing. So let's try a switch. Okay, 2 orange. We are good.